How to apply makeup effects in the Meitu app. So first open the app if you haven't already. Then your home screen should look something like this. Here you'll see an option called photo on the top. Simply tap on it and select a photo that you would like to apply the makeup effects on. After choosing the photo, many options will pop up on the bottom of your screen. Simply tap on the option called beautify, which is located on the bottom right corner. After tapping on it, scroll left until you see an option called makeup, which is right next to auto. Then tap on it. Here you'll see two options called face and tattoo. Simply tap on the face option right next to search icon. And these are some simple few steps you can follow to apply makeup effects in the Meitu app. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys next time.